What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. It's a beautiful day out. Today's the day I've been waiting for all week by wrapping my car, getting my wheels, lowering it, all the other good stuff. And today is a huge car meet by EM Meet. They organize one of the biggest car meets in Michigan. I mean, literally, they pull permits, they do it the right way. And we're gonna go. My car is gonna be in the VIP section, so it should be an awesome event and a lot of cool cars for me to show you guys. So without talking too much, let's turn on the Mustang and get going. Alright guys, so we made a quick stop to get some 85, of course. Let's look how beautiful my car is looking today. Oh my god. Look at that. It's probably one of the nicest Mustangs out there. I think it might be the nicest one. I mean, I might be biased, but look at that. It is beautiful. Alright, enough drooling over this car. Let's get to the meet. So right now, we're about to go in. I'm very excited to see how this is gonna go. So I got my car right up front for everyone to see. I mean, you gotta appreciate this wrap, the wheels, the brakes. I mean, look at that. Whew. I'm just getting started with this car. I'm just getting started. It looks beautiful, the wheel setup and everything. So this car deserves to be up front for everyone to see. Guys, check out this Hellcat. Wow. I mean, this color is beautiful. It looks like turquoise. And then the wheels. Look at the gold wheels. And then the brake calipers look so good. It's slammed all the way to the ground. Wide body kit. Dude, this thing is nice. I seen this like a year and a half, maybe two years ago, and it did not look like nothing like this. It was stock, and to see it looking like this. Wow. Look at the back. And you got this user. I like this. This is nice. So far, this is my favorite car here. Let's see if we can see some other nicer cars. Check out this NSX. Whew. Wow. They look good, the Hellcat and the NSX next to each other. Alright guys, so we came out here and there's this beautiful M850. Let me show you guys. Look at that. I don't know if it's wrapped or what, but it looks so good. Whew. Wow. Another cool thing about this is it's pushing 650 horsepower, so it's tuned and it is not stock. So check out this C63 carbon fiber everywhere. Wow, this thing is nice. I like it. I like these two cars next to each other. Check out this Nardo Gray M3 with the gold brakes as well. Really expensive option. Check out this X5.
Oh guys, how you doing, man? Nice to see you guys.
Wow.
You picking them out?
Hey, this literally puts like all the SUVs to bed. This one, especially this one, the way it's done up. I mean, look at the wheels. Tinted headlights. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Dude, this thing is like just like beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful SUVs I've ever seen. So we got my car in here. It's just barely squeezed in there. And the reason for that is about to start raining, so it's gonna be like a quick one. It's gonna rain for like an hour, but the meet is still going because it's going all the way till 12 a.m. So it's gonna be a super late and long meet. Look at the clouds. This is gonna be a crazy storm. Oh man. Look at that. It's all coming from right there. So this Hellcat just started. Oh man. I'm gonna pull it in there because it's raining and the NSX Whew, they're clearing out. It's raining now. We gotta get out of the rain. It's gonna come hard. Alright. It's raining now and we gotta get out of the rain. It's getting so crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Everybody's clearing out. Ooh. My car is just barely out the way. Oh man, it's getting crazy. Just because it's raining doesn't mean people are not coming. So now we're gonna walk around, check out some cars. It is so lit up here. Let's check out the cars. Woo! Looks like Fast and Furious. So that's my friend Paul's car. This is his friend. We're gonna be racing that on the channel soon, and that as well, because he just pro charged it. So stay tuned for these races. Alright guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the car so far. So now, I'm sitting in my friend's M850. A very, very luxury car. And I'm too tired, so we're just gonna chill in here. Let me show you guys a few features of this car. Look at that, it looks like a spaceship. But look at that.
There's another A series here too. Is there?
You guys see it? Crystal.
He's still outside, bro. His car lights are still on.
So we're just gonna chill in here. Look at this guy trying to squeeze this big truck in here. Just barely. Wow. So now it's time to get out of the M850. Alright guys, now it's time to leave. Let's get it. Guys, we're leaving. The cops already. Alright guys, so we are finally back home. Had such a long day. It stormed, now it's clear and it's not raining, but I've had such a long week with getting this car ready for this big meet and then also filming it, and I've just been so tired and I haven't been even getting that much sleep. So I decided to come home early to relax and get some food, because honestly I haven't even ate all day long. So I hope you guys enjoyed the wrap, the wheels, the lowering, the meat, the cars there, the people there. Shout out to everybody that came up to me and said hi. I appreciate all you guys. Thank you guys. You guys mean the world to me. But now it's time to let you guys go. So if you guys like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos. And also make sure to follow my social media. It's right there in the corner. And I will see you guys on the next upload. Peace out.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection. I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm